Well, we're indoors now at Groundsfest 24, and we're on the Harrowden Turf stand, and I'm joined by MD Stuart. Stuart, Harrowden Turf, really well-known name. As the name suggests, you're very well known for turf. I think you telling me earlier you're the biggest grower in the UK?
That's right, yeah. So we're the largest turf grower in the UK, so we're very well known for that particular product. But one of the things which we wanted to demonstrate at this show was our full range of our products, which is a bit more extensive than maybe some people are aware.
So in the range, you've got obviously the turf. I mean, did you want to just give us a quick overview of what turf you have?
Yeah, so we've got a sort of amenity landscape turf, lawn turf, and we also have some shade tolerant, sort of more specialist turfs, shade tolerant for particular settings. Going into species rich, and we also do things like suds turf as well, which is a reinforced turf product.
So that's your kind of turf range, as it were. But need to change the name maybe from not just Harrowden Turf. You've got green roofs?
That's right. So we also do a large range of mat products, as we call them. So roofing products, Sedum blankets. We do a lightweight system and also one which is for a deeper substrate type system. We also do Sedum trays, wildflower trays for roofing applications. So, and then we go into a full range of landscaping sort of wildflower turf products as well. Okay,
so not only wild turf for the roof, but
for general landscape use as well.
And in terms of the mixes that you have for the wildflower, is it just the one range of wildflower, or have you got a number?
No, so we've got a real range really for different applications. From a sort of woodland shade, which is as the name suggests, is more of a shade sort of one for shaded areas. We've got 100% wildflower mixes, which are sort of for birds and bees, sort of pollinators, and for winter food. So we've got a real range really, so which covers pretty much most applications.
And not just what we've talked about there, did you mention plug plants to me as well?
Yeah, so again, with the sort of move towards more biodiversity, quite a lot of that is ecology-led, and there are some sort of particular requirements for for particular schemes. So what we've done is some of our standard mixes may not fit the bill for everything, but we now produce a range of plug plants which can be sort of mixed and matched to create pretty much a solution for any particular requirements.
So it's kind of a bespoke solution for people.
And I suppose the other area is that we do a lot of wildflower seed. And again, we are now sort of trying to become 100% self-sufficient in our seed production, which we also sell to sort of externally as well as for use in our own products.
So people can come to you buy seed. Is that on a commercial level or is that a domestic level?
Yeah, so on both levels. So we again, our general approach to the market is that we supply from retail all the way through to the large landscape contractors and large, sort of DIY chains and things like that. So we service the whole market.
I think with the wildflower and the flowers in general, there's a well-established path, and that's kind of grown since probably, I think you said earlier, since the Olympics, and that's really kicked off there in the last 12 years or so.
Yeah.
Why did you decide, where did you see the opportunity with the plugs?
No, so the plug plants, I mean, we, again, with our relationships with the green roof contractors, again, they have these requirements for, so some roofs are specified as being basically plug plant generated roofs. So given that we have very good relationships on our sort of standard mats, sort of sedum and wildflower products going into those markets, again, we were just trying to sort of make sure that we could be the one-stop shop for those roofing contractors.
And looking forward, I mean, is the growth really coming from things away from turf, or is turf still the core part of the business?
I mean, I think, without a doubt, turf is still a very important part of the business. It is sort of where our bread and butter, I suppose. But, the mat products, the roofing products are definitely an increasing part of the mix now. So, it is a key focus. And I think, when we see the biodiversity net gain rules coming in, that sustainability agenda basically feeds into those more diverse products.
Stuart, great to catch up with you. Not something that we've spoken about before much on Turf Business, so we'll have to catch up with you again soon.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, thanks.